Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly being used to decipher ancient languages. This is because AI can be trained on large datasets of known languages, which allows it to learn the patterns and rules that govern how languages work. This information can then be used to help decipher languages that are not well understood. One example of how AI has been used to decipher ancient languages is the work of a team of researchers at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSAIL. These researchers developed an AI algorithm that can automatically decipher long-lost languages, even without any other advanced knowledge of how the language relates to other languages. The algorithm works by first identifying the linguistic constraints that occur as languages evolve in predictable ways. For example, the algorithm knows that the number of phonemes, basic sounds, in a language tends to stay relatively constant over time. This information can then be used to help identify the language family of a lost language. Once the language family has been identified, the algorithm can then use its knowledge of other languages in that family to help decipher the lost language. For example, if the lost language is known to be related to Greek, the algorithm can use its knowledge of Greek to help identify the meaning of words in the lost language. The MIT researchers have used their AI algorithm to successfully decipher a number of ancient languages, including Iberian, an ancient language spoken by indigenous Western European people from roughly the 7th to the 1st century BC. The algorithm was able to accurately identify the language family of Iberian, and it was also able to decipher a number of words in the language. This work shows that AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of ancient language decipherment. In the future, AI could be used to decipher many of the world's lost languages, providing us with a wealth of new information about our past. Here are some other examples of how AI is being used to decipher ancient languages. A team of researchers at LMU Munich in Germany have used AI to translate 300,000 lines of text from ancient languages that were found on cuneiform tablets from ancient Mesopotamia. The researchers developed an algorithm to piece together fragments to make them understandable. A team of researchers at the University of Oxford have used AI to create a new method for translating hieroglyphs. The method is based on the idea that hieroglyphs can be represented as a sequence of symbols, and that the meaning of each symbol can be determined by its position in the sequence. A team of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, have used AI to develop a new method for translating Mayan hieroglyphs. The method is based on the idea that Mayan hieroglyphs can be represented as a sequence of symbols, and that the meaning of each symbol can be determined by its position in the sequence. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is being used to decipher ancient languages. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more progress in this field in the years to come. Conclusion: AI is a powerful tool that can be used to decipher ancient languages. By learning the patterns and rules that govern how languages work, AI can help us to understand languages that have been lost to time. This information can provide us with a wealth of new information about our past, and it can also help us to better understand the present.